at Marshall Memphis Boat Center, and I have got a really cool pre-owned boat to show y'all today. This is our 2019 Axis A24, one of the coolest boats that Axis has ever made. The pickle-fork bow, 24 feet, accommodates up to 18 people. All right, the 2019 A24 offers a lot. If you are looking to get into a pre-owned boat at a phenomenal price that has a lot of the same technology as the new ones, this is your boat. You've got surf gate, you got surf pipe, you've got Power Wedge II, you've got 2 sets of Rev 10 tower speakers, got the swiveling board racks. Guys, this boat is powered by the PCM 409 Monsoon, phenomenal engine. It got replaced right around 300 hours. So the engine itself has a little over 200 hours on it, a lot of life left in it. The boat itself has a little bit over 500 hours on it. If you like it, go to our website, check it out. Give us a call, 901-744-4444, memphisboatcenter.com. Thank you so much.